Reggae Sumfest Roundup. Hi, I'm Debbie. Vibes Cartel, the big name on a big night. But the DJ's crowning moment marred by crowd surges, resulting in some showgoers being injured and valuables lost. The festival's other star attraction, R&B singer Tony Braxton, got mixed reviews, with the likes of Leela Ike, Protege, and Taurus Riley delivering solid sets.
Good night, Jamaica.
Mobe packed for Reggae Sumfest. Occupancy around the music festival reported to be higher than usual. Not to mention ticket sales, the Cartel effect evident, as showgoers streamed in Friday. The DJ's crowning moment expected to be the focal point of the whole shebang.
Nah, man, don't know. Couldn't miss it for the world.
We are going to see Cartel today and I don't want nobody say nothing. Watch out, how much years the man in prison for? A couple years well. And right now, he's a juvenile and I can tell my youth, say, me see dog.
Gaza! Alright.
But first, a roll call of local lights. Chanel Muir giving gold.
Full of lucky night. Spooky, I must hear over lucky night. Say, come on, say, I'm what the night. Put this on up in your son of
Governor in military mode. In the phone booth.
Good night, ladies.
And CRV for mom.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Well, I'm for your key. When I reach back at town, I go drive out the van.
Feel like a jump right now. Smiling to the bank right now.
The original dance man Jamal playing to a home crowd.
And this might be my last Reggae Sumfest, you understand? Because I can't take the style thing, I'm a bad boy. Ready now, Jummy?
I'm here born to make no friend, you hear that? Come here. When you want self-accept, then I'm on it. Let me fool them with your son. When you say I can't talk, give me my shot and it's like. I can walk and I can my chance to know I can't play it.
Fans left wondering why this might be his last Sumfest. But Massacre in designer duds getting the wipers going and fists pumping. Massacre hailed, and on Cartel's big night, words thrown.
But we said them about like a shoeless. Them say crown and put out our crown and go. Nobody, none of them.
Time for the main event. Lighters for Vibes Cartel. But the man of the moment not making much of an entrance. After all that glitz and fanfare, trailing him on the heels of his sold-out World Boss Tour.
Me come from Jamaica. Me come from Jamaica. Me come from Jamaica.
The Gaza Godfather dripping bling back on the Sumfest stage since he was last there in 2011. Then he was a dancehall sensation. Today, Cartel on another level. The charismatic DJ filling arenas, commanding record fees, and enjoying the lifestyle denied him during those long years in prison, and along the way keeping his fans constantly in the loop via social media. His voice stronger since Freedom Street, at least enough to keep his Gaza Nation singing along. It was Cartel in all his guises. And from bad man to ramping shopper to baby father.
Big up the man at the backstage. Big up Shati. Big up Sharika. Adiana. Oh, man, it's a family man.
Cartel connecting
You want him dead.
with call and response.
My brethren tell me. You say you want him dead.
Spice now a regular at Cartel's gigs and back again to lay it on thick. Way too thick for TV. But the current queen also crowning the new king. A sudden crowd surge interrupting the moment. But Cartel got his crown.
Here, the king of dancehall, Vybz Cartel!
Let's go!
The DJ thanking his dancehall trinity, Ninja Man, Butcher Banton, Bounty Killer, and God for a second chance at redemption.
Me not perfect, but me not do no rubbish. Me not get in trouble. Me not promote certain things. Then I pass. Like I said, that's just me. I'm gonna live by them words until me dead. You see me? Cause me don't know what happened to me if me stay there in prison.
More trouble out front before the night ended. Later, some patrons lingered at Catherine Hall, looking for personal items, including cell phones lost in the earlier melee. Others who had been injured had to be carried out.
Did Joe and Downtown deliver?
After I lost my phone, to me, no. Because I was expecting that after the incident, maybe they would put a pause and try to assist the persons who came in contact with the situation. But show went on and...
Well, who taking night, you know, so I look at performance what they do. I've set in the whole out there if you make the place vibrate and the people them run up and down. For Cartel get the fame when I look to. You understand? But the night massacre, me I give it. I don't grow on it. Cartel go on good. But you get the fame when I look for directly, you know.
I couldn't get a chance to get up for run. Everybody dropped down for me. One big fat woman dropped down for me. Right in my hip, in my knee. And in my foot right now. We're going at the park round there, so. Where they say the people, them, the ambulance there, run the ram. One girl, she drop on the back of the wall, her face bust out. I really enjoy the performance, but the thing need to organize. So much police over here, and all them something they go on.
It was not a good night. This is not a good Sumfest.
Ask the police, them already them check all of the car keys them find, and none is not mine. So you don't know, we just go and see what I pray. You understand? But here what I say, I feel like it's a set-up thing. All that we wanna do and feel like say, I teach how to spite and thing, I just Jamaica who know make look bad.
People got carted out of here, carried out of here. That's not what people pay for. Especially me, I didn't come from out of country to deal with stuff like this. I expected a lot better.
Money might there, I'm losing my phone now, I want it back.
Better marks for the show itself, which ended before 6 a.m.
Cartel, all the way, Gaza. Black Cartel, Bleach Cartel, Sick Cartel, Lock Up Cartel, Free Cartel, Sumfest Cartel. It's just Cartel. Gaza all the way.
For me, I think it was Governor, Massacre, but we all know everybody came to see Vybz Cartel, which we appreciate the art and everything, but definitely hands down, I'm gonna give it to Massacre.
For me, it was Cartel's performance. To be honest, I loved how he was so happy to perform in Jamaica, and I felt his performance, to me, it was one of the best performances of his performing since being out. And he really represented and showed that he really loved or loves his country. And, he really presented that, showing people say, yo, I'm happy because I was watching this for 13 years for myself, and I'm now here and being able to, perform for my people. He rep for his country, and I love that.
Everything was good. I don't know who planned it, but they did get it right.
Who there know says a big stampede, everybody run up and down, people have to jump on fence, but yeah man. No audio issues, everything was free flowing. And we get to see every artist who did up on the card tonight.
Life is more than niceness, but not the crisis. Who's the way the acid and ice fish? Shouldn't be living like this. Negative.
Night 2 and barriers and fencing back in place. Performers such as Iwayne delivering a peace and love message, along with more fiery lines.
Yeah, some boy I do all type of thing with them mouth and some girl and I kiss up the baby. All when I hear baby, once you bow and you kiss the baby, I diss the baby. Fire upon them nasty panel. Some of the kids I watch X-rated channel. Daniel and all baby Janelle. Shh, clear. Hey, I need to ring my
turn my back on the real youth. All who judge when we recruit them. And all who judge. If you blame life, you blame who give it. Don't blame life, blame the way how you live it. Father God never sleep in work and him no make no mistake. Blame it on your friends and
oh, nobody is some like a youth war. Nation sweet, it gets so bizarre.
Phones out for Leela Ike, the Ice Spice singer making her Sumfest debut 6 years ago as a guest of Protégé, but now doing her own thing. Seemingly unperturbed by an incident whilst on the way to the festival.
It's first Sumfest in 6 years. What's the difference now?
Honestly, I guess the difference is I'm doing my own set. Very important night for me. Big up Joe Bogdanovich. He's been trying to book me for years, but time is the master. And yeah, it was lovely. It was just love to step out on my own and just enjoy the vibe of the people.
I just a girl from country who I make my family proud.
Leela was also asked what it takes to stay the course in the music business today.
With these melodies.
If I answer that question, I'd be saying that I know everything. So I cannot tell you what it takes to make it. I can tell you what I've practiced for years, which is passion, consistency, working on my craft, drive, understanding my strengths and weaknesses and working accordingly, and just loving what I do.
So there were rumors that you got locked up. What happened?
I don't think if I did lock up yesterday, I would have there, so, right? But you don't know, I was on my way here, got into a little situation with the police. I was told that I'm not supposed to be in the vehicle with another passenger. It was a car that was sponsored to me by Porsche. To be honest, the situation just kind of escalated to a point that was ridiculous. After being let out and spoke to my lawyer and a high-ranking officer, I was told that, that what they came with doesn't make any sense. So nothing really disclose much, but just a situation that spiraled for no reason. And naturally, you don't know, on my way to Sumfest, people are past them, see where I go on, and everybody make their own assumption of what happened. But I'm here. Big up to DSP Samuels for his help. And we give thanks. I never have to sleep in a jail because never in my life me ever see what behind the police decks look like. I'm not a criminal, so. But we're there and we give God thanks. You get me? The headline could have been different. It could have been Leela crashed on the way to Sumfest. So we give God thanks for everything. I'm here. I had a great show. It is what it is and it'll be dealt with accordingly.
and it's a protege.
Her mentor, protege, also returning to the Sumfest stage.
From the streets of Jamaica, coming live and direct. Protege, they are we don't need no mic check. Stepping on the place, no matter disrespect. No someone they get to use about the tax when they come in. Lordy, not trying no party. Look what the politicians they put to party. When it's the blood money, them probably want to come to me. Supposed to tell about Siaga and the CIA. How are they using this stabilize the economy? I hope they set the order, bring it on to the valley. I'll be set here for 22nd, 1978. I tell them the truth and them still not look. And up drugs money, me say they are not.
What does it feel like to be at your stage in your career?
You have to help the youth them, you have to give back, you have to give a platform to somebody else. See, years ago she get a 3-minute per my set and now she have her own set, you know, in a span of a couple of years. So it's always great when you give somebody an opportunity and them take it and carry it to a next level, you know what I mean? So big up Leela and all of the artists them every time.
Oh, when the city goes so quick, come you bit over men, because I think I'm talking
And what does it take to make it in the business? Is it persistent or is it that hit song?
A hit song don't hurt, you know. But guess what happen now? You see discipline and work ethic, I gotta beat talent every time, you see me? It's for who are putting in the work, and once you put in the work, the universe must reward you.
Soldier them loyal, casual or formal, them style no normal, them so them immortal. So, and I say, Papa, it's in the noise. Me like, me always in the rise.
Only one gotta leave me home. Well, they can go back where they came from. No demonic work perform shall prosper.
Tarrus Riley with his arranger Dean Fraser, delivering the kind of set fans have come to expect from the perfectionist singer and his rigorously rehearsed band.
You spend all that money on your watch. Well, how much time you spend in the money? So much money in the club. How much you spend in the one day? The simple day, simple day. Well, it's a shame to see. If you know the vibes, so go on, sing it, sing it. We can last one.
His performance also including a tribute to, among others, his dad. R&B singer Tony Braxton with hits to spare, but from most accounts, failed to move the audience. Some fans on social media complained of lip syncing. The star, a distant presence both backstage and on stage.
Stop booking these artists. When they come, they locked away with their tight security. You can't even get a picture. You can't even say hello. They don't mingle. They're not doing interviews. They run everybody up out of the media kit. They're not doing live. They're not doing stream. They're not doing anything. They're just there for the money.
Who took the night for you and why?
Tarrus Riley, he has high energy, he was entertaining, and I wanted to see him. So I wanted to see Tony Braxton too, but I don't think that went well for me.
Leela Ike, love her. Her performance was amazing.
Came all the way from London. Love Tarrus Riley. Protege. Leela. I wish I could stay to the end, but my friends are tired.
I kind of did like when I went up on the stage, I kind of disappointed though when them say I left abruptly. But I did really give a steaming performance. I think say, if I'm gonna get a chance to continue some more, I think he would equal up with Tarrus. But apart from that though, the two night them was excellent.
And did Joe and Downtown get it right or not?
The security part of it, they don't get it right. Because the stampede, I tell you the honest truth, I still away my upshot, away my mind, my shoes still a point next year say, I now come back.
Saturday's show ending on a high note before 5 a.m. pity about the Stampedes Friday and the lackluster Braxton set.